Alright, y'all. Let's talk about some dope, hidden iOS 26 features you probably didn't know existed. First up, adaptive power mode. If you've got an iPhone 15 or newer, you can turn this on to stretch your battery life automatically when your phone's getting drained more than usual. It dims the screen a bit and slows down some stuff to save power. And just so you know, low power mode still kicks in on its own at 20%, like always. Second hidden gem, set any song as your ringtone straight from the share sheet. Yep, you can use MP3 or M4A files, under 30 seconds, and boom, custom ringtone. I just grabbed a song off the internet, tons of free ones out there. After downloading, hit up the Safari Download Manager and tap the download option. You'll see your recent downloads. Tap the file and then hit that share button at the bottom right of your screen. Swipe up or hit more, and you'll see Use as Ringtone. Boom, done. It's that simple. Now check your ringtones list. Your custom sound is already there. Want to delete one? Just swipe left on the ringtone and tap Delete. Clean and easy. You can even do the same thing right from the Files app, whether it's from the web or airdropped by a buddy. Just long press the audio file, tap Share, then pick Set as Ringtone, and done. That's clap. And if you're trying to set custom tones for specific friends, I got a separate tutorial linked in the description for that. Now let's roll into hidden feature number 3, charging time on lock screen. When you plug your iPhone in, the lock screen now shows an estimated time to fully charge. It works with 10-watt, 12-watt, 18-watt, and 20-watt USB-C chargers. Next one. Dynamic lock screen time. You can now set a spatial scene photo as a live wallpaper. How sick is that? Here's how. Open the Settings app, scroll to Wallpaper, and tap it. Then, hit the plus button at the bottom. Choose Photos and find one labeled Spatial Scene, or just tap the Spatial Scene tab if it shows up. If the photo works, you'll see a spatial icon. Tap it. Wait a sec while it loads your live scene. Once it's done, you'll see the wallpaper actually move on your lock screen. Hit Done to save it. Super cool, right? Now let's fix a tiny annoyance, Carplay screenshot. Some folks are tired of iPhones randomly taking screenshots when hooked up to Carplay. To shut that off, open the Settings app, go to General, then scroll to Screen Capture, and turn off Carplay screenshots. That's it. Peace. Screenshot spam, bonus hidden feature. Pin your songs. You can now pin your favorite songs, albums, or playlists from your music library. That way, they're always easy to find, either in the music app or right on your home screen. Want to listen to your pins offline? You gotta turn on Download Pins. Go to Settings, Apps, Music. Scroll to Download Pins and switch it on. Easy. So those are top 5 hidden iPhone features that are straight up useful. Which one's your favorite? Or got another cool trick that should have made the list? Drop it in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech guide videos. Peace out.